Hi, this is Viveka von Rosen, Chief Visibility Officer over at Vengreso. And I want to talk to you today about what, why, and how to add multimedia to your summary section. So first of all, why should you add media to your summary section? Let's take a look. Now, when I first go to a prospect or a client's profile, what I'm going to see is, of course, the intro section, and then down underneath that, this is the summary section that we're talking about. Now, you'll see here only the first 3 or so lines are showing, as well as some images. So right away, those thumbnails add some visible interest. And as we always say, you want to make your, or you want to transform your LinkedIn profile from a resume to a resource. So already I say, oh, I've got some resources here. But more importantly, when I click on Show More, it's going to take me right down into the media. And so I want to make sure I have media there that is attractive to and important to my prospects or to my clients or customers, to whoever my target market is. The other thing that I want to make sure is that my media is attractive, it's colorful, it engages my audience. Now, what kinds of resources should I add here? What kinds of media should I add? Well, any kind of video, PDF, product one-pagers, ebooks, images, or even infographics. And if you're wondering about where to find those, either on your blog or if you've got a marketing department, contact your marketing department. Let them know what you're doing. I'm trying to add media to my LinkedIn summary section. I want something that's a really good resource for this audience. What do you have for me? So you can either look at your own content or ask your marketing department for something. Okay, that's great. Now, how do I do this? So what you're going to want to do is go into your profile and view profile. You're going to click on the pen on the top right-hand side. That's for the whole intro section, this whole box, including your summary. So you're going to click on that. And then you're going to scroll down past your summary section to where it says media, upload or link. So of course, if you've got a video that you want to share or a blog post that you want to share, you'll click on link. If you've got a PDF or an infographic that you want to upload, you'll click upload. I'm going to go ahead and click link. And I've already got a link that I'm going to add in there. It's one of my recent blog posts. Then I'm just going to click add. Now, once I do that, I can see the thumbnail or the image that LinkedIn is going to show my audience. If you don't like that, you might have to talk to marketing department or talk to the person who manages your blog and say, hey, I need a new meta image for my background image. I need something that really pops. The other thing that you're going to want to do is look at your title. And rather than necessarily going with what is attached to that link, I might want to adjust that. Again, this is a resource for my audience. So I need to put in a call to action or let them know what this is. So click to download the latest LinkedIn background image guidelines for 2018. And they know they're in Vengreso. It's all over the place. I'm going to take that out and then just make sure that my description reads the way that I want it to. And once I've done that, I'm happy with everything. I'm going to click apply. Now, what you'll see is that the last thing that you loaded is the first thing that's going to show up on your profile. You used to be able to adjust these and move them around. You can't anymore. So the last thing you uploaded is the first thing, the first piece of media that people are going to see. So there you have it, the why, what, and how to add media in the multimedia section on your summary. For more great information about how to use LinkedIn in your social selling and digital sales strategies, make sure to go to vengreso.com and follow our blog.